Why a minimalist entryway matters.
First impressions count. Your entryway sets the tone for your home. When clutter accumulates, it adds stress to daily life and makes finding essentials harder. A minimalist entryway offers calm, welcomes you home, and makes it easier to keep things tidy. By embracing simplicity, you reduce visual chaos, save time, and create a welcoming space that's functional every day.
Declutter with purpose.
Start by removing everything from your entryway. Sort items into groups. Keep, relocate, or donate. Be honest. How many shoes, coats, or bags do you really need by the door? Let go of duplicates and out-of-season items. This process is essential for a minimalist look and helps you evaluate what's truly necessary to have on hand.
Choose functional entryway furniture.
Select multi-purpose pieces like a slim bench with hidden storage or simple wall hooks. Favor furniture with clean lines and neutral colors to maintain a calm, open feel. Avoid overcrowding, less is more. A narrow console or a floating shelf can hold keys and mail without taking up much space, keeping essentials accessible but out of sight.
Organize every item intentionally.
Designate a spot for everything. Shoes, coats, bags, and keys each need a home. Use baskets or trays for smaller belongings, and only keep daily use items at the entry. Add labeled hooks or a small drawer to catch clutter before it spreads. When every piece has a place, it's easier to keep the space organized for the long term.
Establish simple daily habits.
Maintaining a clutter-free entryway comes down to daily routines. Make it a habit to put away shoes, hang up jackets, and empty bags as soon as you get home. Take a minute each evening to clear surfaces. Quick, small actions prevent buildup and keep your entryway stress-free, welcoming, and effortlessly minimalist.